Hello children, today we are going to discuss this chapter, that is chapter 3 nouns. Further, yesterday in the video we talked about parts of speech, and we came to know that the words that we use in order to form a sentence, these words belong to different classes or categories, and the different classes or categories to which word belong is called parts of speech. And we came to know that in English there are 8 parts of speech. So today we are going to deal with nouns, and we are going to discuss about what are the various kinds of nouns. So let's begin. A noun is a naming word. So we all know that noun is a naming word. It's the name of a person, animal, place or thing. It can be the name of a person, animal, place or thing. So it can be that noun can be the name of a person, it can be the name of an animal, it can be the name of a place, it can be the name of a thing. A noun can also name a feeling or an idea. Similarly, you need to remember that a noun can also name a feeling or an idea. Like, let's take the example of feeling, like happiness, joy. These are examples of what? Feeling. And these are what? Nouns. That is abstract noun. And at the same time, let's take idea like war, peace. These are what? These are ideas, and these are examples of noun. So you need to remember that a noun is a naming word, and noun can be the name of a person, animal, place or thing. It can be also be the name of an idea. It can also be the name of a feeling. The words in the box are all nouns. So we underneath some words are given, and these are examples of what? These are examples of nouns. Godavari, Neetu, dazzling, father, lion, navy, jealousy, fear, bus, airport. So these are all examples of what? These are all examples of nouns. Now let's deal with this classification of nouns. Nouns are of 5 kinds. So over here you can see the first kind of noun is proper noun. The second kind is common noun. The third is abstract noun. Fourth is collective noun. And the fifth is material noun. So now let's begin with proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. So you need to remember that a proper noun is what? It's a particular name of a person, like my name, your father's name, our school's name, your village name, your state name, your country name. All these are examples of what? Proper nouns. So these are what? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. So if you have a pet dog and you have kept its name, then that name is going to be an example of what? That name is going to be an example of a proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. This is also something which you need to keep in mind, that capital letter is the letter with which we start writing a proper noun. So a proper noun always begins with what? Capital letter. Take a look at this word. So here are some examples provided. Kanika, that is the name of a girl. So it's the name of a particular girl. Qutub Minar, name of a monument. Mirut, name of a place. Alps, name of a mountain. India, name of our country. October, name of a month. Sunday, name of a day. White House, name of the building where the President of America lives. Ganga, name of a river. Abhishek, name of a boy, a particular boy. Holi, name of a festival. Red Fort, name of a monument. Similarly, so these are what? These are all examples of proper nouns. Over here you can see we have used a capital letter in order to begin this proper nouns. All these words are names of persons, places, festivals, mountains, monuments, etc. So all these names that I just read out, these are all names of what? Particular persons, places, festivals, mountains, monuments, etc. As these words are names of particular persons, places, etc., they are called proper nouns. So you need to remember these proper nouns are the particular names of persons, animals, places and things. Kanika, the name of a particular girl. Qutub Minar, the name of a particular monument. Mirut, the name of a particular place. October, the name of a particular month. So here these are what? These are some examples of what? These are some examples of proper nouns. Now let's read a common noun. A common name given to a person, animal, place or thing of the same kind is called a common noun. So you need to remember these common nouns are the common names that we give to a person, place, animal or thing, those that belong to a common kind, that belong to the same kind. And now if you look at this example, you can see student, mother, book, pencil, school, office, shop, station, chalk, fruit, bird, chair, flower, car. So these are all examples of what? These are all examples of common nouns, because these are the common names given to person, animal, place or thing. And you can see over here that these common nouns, we are not starting it with the help of capital letter, we are writing it with the help of small letters. All these words are common names given to persons, places, animals or things. So these words are common nouns. Now let's read the sentences that are provided underneath. Read these sentences carefully. Mumbai is a busy metropolitan city in India, and in the second sentence you can see the Kaveri is a river in South India. So in these two sentences, the words Mumbai and Kaveri are names of particular city and a river respectively. So in the first sentence, Mumbai is the name of a particular city, and in the second sentence, the word Kaveri is the name of a particular river. So these words are proper nouns. The words city and river are common nouns, whereas this word city and the word river are what? Common nouns. Because if I tell you to write the name of 5 cities, then you can easily write the names of those 5 cities. Similarly, if I ask you to write the name of 5 rivers, you can write the names of 5 rivers. But those names that you will be writing are going to be the examples of proper nouns. But the word river, the word city, they are examples of what? Common nouns. The word city and river are common nouns. Varanasi, Bangalore, New York, London are names of cities. So you need to remember these are the names of cities. So these are what? Proper nouns. But the word city in itself is what? It's an example of a common noun. The word city is said by all the 4 names mentioned above. It is common to all the 4 names. So the particular names of the cities are proper nouns and the word city is a common noun. So this is what the book is also trying to explain to you, that the word city, like the word village, the word town, or the name or the word country, it is what these words are all common noun. But if I say Australia, if I say India, if I say France, then these are examples of proper nouns. Now let's read the third kind of noun, that is abstract nouns. An abstract noun is a name given to some state, quality, feeling or idea that we can only think of or feel but cannot touch or see. So you need to remember over here what abstract noun. Abstract nouns are names given to some state. It might be a quality, feeling or an idea that we can only think of, but we cannot we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel it. So you need to remember that abstract nouns cannot be seen, cannot be heard, cannot be smelled, cannot be tasted or touched, but we can feel it. The words cold, sorrow, love, joy, beauty, truth, pain, jealousy, happiness and anger are abstract nouns. So here are some examples of abstract nouns that are provided. So let's take the first word, that is cold. So cold is a state. So can you touch cold? No, you cannot touch cold. If you say, for example, ma'am, ice cream is cold, I can touch it. Though that means you are touching the ice cream, you are not touching cold. So you need to remember cold is an abstract noun, but you can feel cold. You cannot touch cold, you cannot see cold, you cannot hear cold, you cannot smell, taste cold. We can feel sorrow, love, joy, etc. but cannot touch them. Yes, that's true. We can feel sorrow, that is we can feel sad. We can feel love, someone's love towards us. We can feel joy, that is we can feel happiness, but we cannot touch them. Hence they are called abstract nouns. So can you see abstract noun? If I ever ask you, then you have to say no, we cannot see abstract. Can you feel abstract noun? Then you have to say yes, we can feel abstract noun. So if I ever ask you, can abstract noun be tasted? Then you have to say no, you cannot taste abstract noun. So now let's read the fourth kind of noun, that is collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a group or class of persons, animals or things considered as one whole. So you need to remember that what is a collective noun? Collective noun is a name given to a group of persons, animals or things that belong to the same kind. The words crowd, bundle, crew, troop, soul are what? Are examples of collective nouns. Like the word crowd, we use this word crowd in order to refer to a group of people. Similarly, we can see over here bundle we can use in order to refer to collection of papers. Crew to a let's say to a group of people who are, let's say, sailors who form this form a group, that's a crew. Next, troop, you can see we use it to refer to a collection of soldiers, and soul we use in order to refer to a group of fish, that is which are swimming together. So the word crowd means many people taken together. The word troop means a collection of soldiers. The word soul means a group of fish moving together. The word bundle means a collection of papers tied together. So these are what examples of crowd, bundle, crew, troop, soul. These are all examples of what? These are all examples of collective nouns. Now let's read the last type of, that last kind of collective noun, that's the material noun. That's fifth kind of collective noun. Fifth kind of noun, that's material noun. Material nouns refer to materials or substances from which things are made. That's true. That material nouns are what? These are the names of materials or substances from which we make different things. So over here you can see some examples. The words wood, steel, leather, etc. are material nouns. Yes, from wood we make various things. We can make our house from wood. We can make the furniture from wood. Similarly, steel can also be used in order to make utensils. So steel is the material or substance from which we can make things. Similarly, leather can be used in order to make your belt, a bag, a shoe. So similarly, you need to remember that wood, steel, leather, these are all examples of what? These are all examples of material nouns, because these are the names of materials or substances from which we make things. So right now I am wearing a woolen shawl. So this is made out of wool. So wool is what? Wool is an example of a material noun. The furniture in my house is made of rosewood. So here in this sentence you can see rosewood is an example of what? It's an example of material noun, because over here we come to know that the furniture, that's the furniture in my house, is made of which wood? Then it's made of rosewood. In the second example, you can see diamond is hard metal. So over here we are talking about which hard metal? Then we are talking about diamond. So diamond is what? It's an example of a material noun. So children, we are going to stop here for today. We are going to continue reading further classification of nouns in the next video. Thank you.